heck is business development? I'm asked this all the time. To define what biz dev is, if you look at job boards today, it would appear that it is anything from a sales position to mergers and acquisition. The truth is that the reason there are so many definitions of business development is because biz dev incorporates so many functions and crosses over the silos of different departments. The skill set required to become a truly valuable business development professional is varied and demanding. Now, it does frost my flakes to see some positions labeled as business development jobs that are most definitely not biz dev. It is likely, if a position primarily involves first-person sales and the metrics used to evaluate performance are measured over weeks or months, that it is a sales position and has very little to do with business development. Although I have seen business development tasks being done by individuals in sales and marketing, it is usually because there is no one specifically tasked to conduct the business of biz dev in that company. Some folks do a great job of biz dev within the limits of their position. A true biz dev professional has access to more than one area or silo of the business and has direct access to upper management. Now, this is necessary since some of the work of business development takes place at the 30,000-foot level. The work of biz dev is also project-driven. It can involve working to develop new products and services, corporate restructuring, defining new channels for revenue, cultivating partnerships, locating potential acquisition or merger opportunities, and executing any of these strategies. The biz dev pro needs to be a team player. Although his job is to identify new opportunities for growth, the planning and execution of those opportunities are nearly always cooperative. He needs to play well with others. The work of the biz dev professional must be closely aligned with the vision of the leadership, since it can impact the positioning, marketing, and identity of the company. To remain competitive, a business may need to reposition, restructure, or reinvent itself to grow and gain market share. Indeed, most businesses at some time in their history will need to do most or even all of these things if they remain in business long enough to experience the changes that demand them. Biz dev, by nature, is forward thinking. If management defines what they want the company to look like in 3 to 5 years, it is the business development professional's job to create and execute a path to get the company to that point, and sometimes to identify opportunity that can exceed that vision.